The best way to learn Bubble.io is with a Planet No Code membership. Here are 3 reasons why. Over the last few years, we've recorded nearly 600 Bubble tutorial videos. Our latest videos always go out on YouTube first, but our full library is only available to our members. Let me give you a quick demo right now. Let's say I'm struggling with repeating groups. I can just search for repeating groups. I instantly get access to all of the videos that we've ever recorded on this topic, but there's more going on behind the scenes. There's an AI embeddings model. That just means that it's better than keyword search. If our videos touch on something that is relevant to repeating groups, the results are going to show up. But what happens when you have a question so specific to your app that you're not going to find the answer on YouTube or the Bubble forum? Well, you can ask our custom trained AI assistant. We've taken the transcripts from all of the videos we've ever recorded and trained a custom AI. That means you'll find the answers better than ChatGPT or similar, because ChatGPT can often overgeneralize and bring in traditional coding concepts into Bubble, giving step-by-step instructions that you simply cannot follow. Well, that's where our AI assistant comes out on top. So what if you wanted to say, I don't really understand option sets. Should I be using them in my custom CRM app? And I send that off to our custom AI assistant. And this will take 20 to 30 seconds. That's because we're not using cheap models. We're using the best model that we found for retrieving data from our library and writing a helpful response for Bubble app creators. And we've got a strong answer here. Not only does it tell us what option sets are in the context of Bubble, it gives us examples for the specific app type that we're working with. It explains why option sets can be so powerful going forward, and it gives us limitations and warnings. And you're just not going to get that from ChatGPT. That's because these are things that I've mentioned time and time again in the videos that I've recorded. And to wrap up the whole response, our AI assistant will recommend the most relevant videos on the topic. The same AI assistant is also accessible in a sidebar when you're watching our videos. So let's say you want to take a deeper dive into repeating groups or tables. Well, I can just ask the AI assistant. Don't miss the fact that our AI assistant has learned the type of app that I'm building. And so when I ask it for examples, it knows that I am building a CRM. In fact, it's not just the type of app you're building that will carry across all your conversations in the Planet No Code Academy. It's also the type of questions you ask or the type of things that you get consistently stuck on. This all goes into writing a highly accurate, highly relevant response to your questions, saving you hours, if not days. And we're not going to pretend that every response from our AI assistant is perfect. So when you get stuck, when it is not helpful, you just need to click Ask Our Team down in the bottom right, and your message will come right through to me. We've also got 4 courses, including my Bubble Essentials for Beginners course. I recorded this last year, but I still think it is the best way of saving yourself time, because it's all of the common misunderstandings, time wasting, rabbit holes that people go down that emerge time and time again in the Bubble coaching calls that I run. And I packaged it together in just one course that you can watch within an hour or two. So if you're ready to build faster, ship with confidence, and skip the guesswork, become a Planet No Code member today to get instant access to our full library, our courses, AI assistant, and expert support. Our members turn ideas into live products in days, not months. Members launch real apps, get real signups, and follow proven workflows that save them hours every week. Try it risk-free, cancel anytime, and lock in your spot at today's price.